My name's Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. This is the GLB 250 that you inquired about. Night black with third row seat. This was a previous service loaner vehicle. It is available for immediate delivery today. This vehicle has about 3,500 miles. And of course was ordered with the third row seat. We'll take a look at that here in the back. So this is with the third row seats engaged. So you've got 2 up front, 3 in the middle, and 2 in the rear. The options on this night black: garage door opener, panoramic roof, heated steering wheel, third row seats, 64 color ambient lighting, premium package. The one unusual thing about this particular package is that it was during a period of time where they had a chip shortage, so there are no power seats on this particular vehicle. This is a manual seat operation, which is fine if there's not too many drivers. And take a look at the inside, and of course up top you have an oversized panoramic roof that can be opened. So there you have it. Night black GLB 250, ready to go with third seat. I'm Watson, Mercedes of Scarborough. 207-510-2284. Thank you.